No. I need to get out of that. Morning, everybody. Man, I got to reboot. I got to reboot my system. Give me a second. Damn it. Hold on. Let me reboot my system. I got some shit screwed up on my charts here. Give me just a second. Jesus. I'm getting delays in my chart. I think I need to, I didn't clean, I got to clean out my, give me a second. What the hell's wrong with my charts? Give me a second, guys. Shit. Give me a second. Man, what a morning. Sorry. My construction manager's having a baby. He's not having a baby. His daughter's having a baby. So I'm backfilling for him. I'm backfilling for him today. And so I'm not even set up. I'm not even set up today. Shit. Where's my chart? Sorry about that. All right, so I'm here. I'm here. Jesus. All right. How's everybody doing? Jesus, sorry about that. I'm just a little out of kilter today. Like I said, my construction manager had to go out of town because his daughter is having a baby. And that means all my projects going on right now, which are rather numerous. People are calling me about, what do I do about this? What do I do about that? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 houses in the field right now. And, morning time is when contractors start getting a hold of you for shit. Let's see here. What do we got going on here? Shit, I might have a short here. Let me turn this on. I might have a short here in gold. And my phone keeps blowing up from one of my lenders. Ah, shit. Get my head on straight. Jesus. All right. shit, Jim. I'm in that NQ trade just for anybody. The one Jim yelled out. I don't know if we're going to get anywhere. There we go. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. But I'm in it for a different reason than you, Jim. I'm in it because it went inside the box and tested the bottom of the box at the top. See how it did that? Came out of the box, came back in, tested the bottom of the box to the long side. So it should cross this box, hopefully, and go to the other side. That's the reason I'm in it. Come on. ES is going long, so everything's looking good. Come on, go. There we go. Come on now. All right, go. God, I haven't used the box. I haven't used the box for equities in a long time, but damn, that just laid out right there in front of me. Holy shit. Now come on, go. Other side of the box. Come on. Other side of the box. Come on. Come on, Chi. Come on. Go. Other side of the box. Come on. God, that was a freaking hell of a big candle right there. Holy crap. When it busted through the midband of the box, man, it just woof. I got to refresh myself on these box trades because, man, they seem to be working. Man, you should go to the other side though. Why are you hung up? Oh shit, I see why you're hung up. The ES is into the overnight open. God dang it. That's why we're hung up. Come on, we're hung up for that exact reason. The ES is okay. The ES is busting through. There we go. Bam! Cross the box. Bam! And blew out the other side. No shit. But see, so I'm going to show you this. We came out of the box and then went back inside the box and then sat on the top of the bottom of the box. And that's your trade right there. That's your trade. It's a Christmas miracle. and I haven't even got my freaking chart straight yet. I still haven't even got my chart straight. All right. Come on, man. Now, I mean, you can, when it goes down through the bottom of the box and then it comes right back in, you can play it out the other side. I just look at, I'm just, but all of a sudden I glanced over to my left here. Let me show you guys. I glanced over. I couldn't figure out why the hell is this not going to my target? And it was because the ES had run right into the overnight open and it was stuck. So this thing got stuck. They're called sharks, Jim. They're called sharks. The sharks grabbed the market and moved it. That's why. I've been talking about this box in here this box has made the bulk of my money in gold for the last 2 weeks. Oh shit, I got an order sitting down here. Oh yeah, I got so excited I forgot about my order sitting in here. And as a matter of fact, the box is now about to work in gold. If we can get this to roll back and sit on top of the bottom of the box from here, we're looking for a long. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So we're now inside the box in gold also. This is its box right here. And we did go to the overnight open, so that's a little helter skelter because it did rotate from there. Well, I'm gonna see if I can catch a long across the box here in gold. That's what I'm gonna look for. How big is this box? 86.07. So about $2,000. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay, so so a new trade. Shit, there's a new trade right now. Damn it. Fuck. All right, hold on. Let me get over here to the NQ. We got another one right here. Damn it. Give me some room. Give me some room. God damn it. Hold on here. I didn't give myself any room. Oh, I got the wrong. God, see, here's what happens. Fucking, this is why I need to quit doing this. Because when I go over, I have the wrong ATM in there. See, it stays. If I put multiple things at the bottom, I get the wrong ATM. All right, come on. Come on. God dang it. It freaking pisses me off. I can't be trading. It's hard for me to, I don't want to drag the screens over because that screws up, but I put the wrong ATM in because I was trading the gold ATM. Come on. Come on, NQ. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, long. 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 Let's go. Come on. All right. There we go. The ES is rolling up off of the prior day open. So we should roll up. Come on, ES. Move. Move your ass. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, ES. Shit, man, I might be two and done for the day. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. Move. Fuck. Come on. Come on, ES. Move. I think we're waiting on you, ES. Damn it. Come on. What are we being hung up by? What are we being hung up by? I can't. I mean, there's nothing on my chart showing me why we got hung up there. Nothing. I think I've explained this before. See my ATM strategy every time so if I go over here to gold now it's my NQ one. It's not my gold one. So if it doesn't stick to the actual chart that I'm looking at. Fucking piece of shit. So when I went over to my NQ and hit enter, I'm sitting there looking at my stop. It's right there. Well, it's because I had the GC set up. Freaking pain in the ass. We might be getting, okay, so everybody just pay attention. We might be getting a W pattern here in the ES. Okay, which might make that NQ trade work. See how we went down, up, down. So let me turn this thing on. I know, but if I have separate windows, then I got to keep dragging damn things over. And every time I drag them, like I just dragged this one over, it's easier for me, for me to show everybody, look at here, here's ES right there. You know what I mean? Instead of me having to drag and drop my screens every fucking time. So I end up trading off my charts that aren't on my screens. Well, that happens to be the midband too of the box. Trader Joe, sorry. God dang it. Are you guys gonna do it now? God dang it. I'm going to GC long off the bottom of the box. Come on, let's go. Off the bottom of the box. Come on. Come on. Finally. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Let's go. Keep on going. There you go, baby. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on now. Let's get some leg. Let's get some leg. Come on, gold. You got it. Oh, I'm in. And here I have my NQ set up. See, I just did it again, but at least it's the right contract quantity. Where it gets screwed up is when I have my RTY one in there or my YM because I'm trading, double contracts there. Come on. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Coming back down and taking out the stops. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. You got it. Come on, gold. You need to go to the other side. We all know that. We all know you want to do that. You're biased to the long side for how long? All right, here we are. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Put me where I can defend this overnight open. Come on, gold. Go. Go. Okay. Come on. No, don't come back yet. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on. Man, it's just dragging ass here. Come on, gold. You need to pick up the pace. Come on, gold. Oh my God. All right, come on. There we go. Now break this pivot to our left, which happens to be the damn midband too. So I'm not excited about that. So I'm going to defend the bottom of this candle here. Come on, gold. Move. Come on. Now get through that midband. Come on. Come on, gold. You remember when it got through the midband on the NQ, it just shot like a rocket. So I'm hoping for the same thing here. I just needed to get through that midband. You can see that midband right here. With the NQ, once it got through that midband, it just went woof. So we're looking for the same reaction here in gold. It just needs to get through it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. There we go. Now go. Come on. 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 Where are the sharks? Where are the sharks? Come on. Where are the sharks? Come on. Shit, my freaking timer's off too. Jesus, I'm a walking mess this morning. Come on. I knew this midband could be a problem because some are gonna fight to hold it below. That's why if it gives up this midband, it will be gone. I just gotta get it through the midband. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Any minute now. Any minute now. Come on. Oh, my aching feet. All right. Come on. PriorDay close doesn't matter. Let's go. Right through it. Come on. Now run. Let's run. Damn it. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. They don't want me to get paid today. They don't want me to get paid today. Come on. Because I hate when these static lines are inside the box. They get so freaking frustrating. Oh, come on. Come on, mother. Come on. All right. Come on now. Come on. Okay, tested the overnight open from the top. That's nice. That's nice. See that? Tested the overnight open. I was fine with that. I am fine with that. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another order out here. Come on. Come on. This is not the cross of the box that I like. Too much freaking time. Come on. All right, here we go. Come on, one more time. Need the sharks to enter the tank. Come on. Come on. Oh, my aching feet. All right, all right. Oh, nope, nope. Come on. What the hell? All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, come on. If it would get through that damn midband, this thing will run like crazy. It just got to get through that midband. Stop texting me. I'm freaking trying to make money. Oh my God. Come on. All right. Come on. Create a pivot for me, please. All right, here we go. We might get a pivot here. I need a pivot to defend. I have no pivot north of me to defend. All right, all right, all right. Here we go. Come on. I'm gonna be so pissed if they knock me out and then run it through the box. Would you stop? I'm trying so hard to be patient. You guys should be impressed with how patient I'm being. You guys should be very impressed with how patient I'm being. Because if this trade works, I'll make a big amount of money this week. Nope. God damn it. All right. And I'm still up $900 for the day. Jesus. Because of that NQ trade, basically. God dang it. Are you going to reverse right here? I bet you are. I bet you are. I bet you are. I bet you are. Yep. Fucking garbage. Thanks, Bill. Thanks, Bill. I still, I still, I still have a few curse words that roll out every once in a while, things like that. What's frustrating is when you know what they're doing and they don't do it. That's what's frustrating. I know what they're doing. They're just not doing it. What? Let me look at ES and Q. Jesus. All right. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. All right, here we go. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Come on. Come, there you go. All right, let's go. All right. And I'm going to go to the box. Come on, go. Just go. They really dirty dogged this one. Because see how they did this long finger down to the 5-minute gold line before they ran it up? That was some dirty dog stuff right there. Really was. Now I'm just going to pray that it runs to the other side. That's all I can do. That's all Bob can do right now is pray that it goes to the other side. After sitting here and waiting all this time. Come on. Go. It's rather lethargic today, to be honest with you. Jesus, gold. Come on. Okay, let's go. Come on. Out the other side. Come on. If this thing would ever do what I'm telling it to do, I'll explain what it did. But it's sure taking its damn time. So you saw how with the NQ one, it just went right to the other side. And sometimes the gold does the same thing. When it makes its mind to do one side to the other, sometimes it literally does it in 3 candles. Boom, boom, boom. We're sitting here just peeling paint, man. I mean, it's just freaking painful. It should never have stopped right there. There's no reason for that. Unbelievable. The only reason it's doing this is because I'm in late entries. I'm telling you. It's because I'm in late entries is the reason it's doing this. Yep. There you go. If I wasn't in late entries, it never would have done that. It would just run right through. All right, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm frustrated. Absolutely frustrated. Absolutely frustrated. Did anybody get that 1 minute gold line in the ES? Sometimes you have to sacrifice your neighbor's goat. You're in the ES, Papa Duke. Perfect. It was in total agreement with the NQ. Beautiful setup, man. This is the one Papa Duke took right there. Beautiful setup. It was in total agreement with the ES. I mean with the NQ, which is exactly what you're looking for. Exactly what you're looking for. Come on, gold. Let's go. Come on. You're just pissing me off today. Really pissing me off. Take my bag and call it a day. Well, I'm slowly giving my bag back. Interesting. Why do we stop pricing out? All right, let me do something here. My timers have all stopped. Okay, there we go. Jesus, my timers had frozen. I know I have to clean out my cache, man, because I'm getting some hangups. Yeah, see, my timers are not kicking in right now. You see that? I got to clean my cash out. My charts are starting to get a little squirrely. Like, what's going on? Why am I? I think my stuff is all screwed up. I know all my stuff's screwed up. Like, my stuff is all screwed up. Man, I'm gonna have to clean my cash out, guys. My stuff is all frozen up. It looks like. I'm looking at the ES. If my chart is accurate, the ES is looking for a potential short off the red line. If that's what you're asking me. Um, See, my stuff's not working. My charts are all fucked up. I like my things are not my. I'm over here testing on somebody like ES. It didn't. My thing wasn't following the candle for the short here. I should have been in that short, and it didn't do it. My something's wrong. But I think I know it's been a while since I've cleaned out my cache, and I'm running shit 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 charts. Yeah, I'm running 9 charts. That's not going to help. Running 9 charts, it ain't going to help. I mean, without any timers, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. I have no timers whatsoever. Let me try to sync this thing up again. I don't want to have to shut down and clear out my cache and shit right now, because that takes me a while. Yeah, Ryan, that's probably a good idea. Obviously, something would be a good idea. Yeah, my charts are all kind of screwed up. It's okay. I'm not frustrated. I just know I can't. I don't think I can. I could probably. I don't know. I might be able to enter something manually. Yeah, that ES didn't roll down. I would have been knocked out on that one probably for a point or two loss if I followed the candles. Maybe break even. The problem with that trade, I mean, it was pretty risky in the first place because the problem with it was this. All right, so let's just take a second to look at fucking gold. Let's take a second to look at it. It went down, then up, then down, and this down was not lower than this down. Then it went to the red line. I mean, so it did two things. The rotation back to the red line was not from a new low, and it broke this pivot on the roll up. So that's not a good sign. But at the same time, I was willing to take the risk on it myself if I could have freaking entered it, because the NQ is pushing down at the same time. So I'm like, well, it's, and you got a reaction here. You got a reaction. The problem is there's just no follow through because the pattern is wrong. If this had been a lower low before it rolled up, that'd be better. And then, of course, if this pivot was up here instead of down here, that'd have been better too. Those pivots will freaking get you, man. They will get you more than those moving averages. So the RTY is over here just for conversational purposes. It is stuck.
Mary Booth.
I don't care about you, Mary. It is stuck north of the overnight open. But it's not going anywhere because the YM has run right into the red line. So somebody has to win this battle. Either the RTY long or the YM short or the YM long. But that's why these are hung up. I'd have been screaming from the rooftop to take this trade if this wasn't stuck here. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just not. I'm just gonna have to talk through today because I've got this. I got this damn. My charts are not working. I knew it this morning when I loaded that something was wrong. That's why I said I have to reload, and it didn't fix it. I knew something was wrong this morning. This fucking guy is going to drive me to drink. I swear to God. Sorry. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Is it really? Is it really, Bruce? So that explains it. At least I'm not trading. I mean, like Jim's saying stuff, and I'm not sure I'm like, what are you talking about? Because my chart doesn't show that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. And like for example, look at my RTY. See this gap right here in these candles? Like that's what started giving me a sign something's wrong. Yeah, I just got to clean out my cash. Thanks, Bruce. I'm just not going to trade. And the problem is, if I'm way behind you guys, I can't even tell you what the hell is setting up. That makes damn sense. Jesus. Yeah, I'm going to have to. Yeah, it didn't fix it on my YM and my RTY. And my timers aren't working. Oh, this is funny. This timer's working now, but none of my other ones are. Oh, maybe no, that one's working. So like, here, let me reload this. Maybe that's what I got to do. Every single one of them. Sorry. Yep, now my timer's working. Yep. All right, hold on here. We might have salvaged this for a minute. Does this look better, Bruce? Okay, I did it. Yeah, I reloaded each chart. Well, that'll fix the problem in short period. But I'm not going to trade with that kind of shit going on. Like my charts just, and everything's working. My live stream's working. My charts just, so it's not my internet or anything like that. I really do need to clean out my cash. I knew that. I knew that mentally a day or two ago, really. So man, that would have been really that. So what's a pisser about that is this is a really nice setup right here. We had finally got space from the prior day open, came down. I don't know the sequence of events, but if this went down below this candle, then came back up, that's a beautiful pattern. Holy shit. You'd be right here at 55. It should roll right on through. I mean, the YM is in agreement at the same time. $60 would be about $500 for me if it would go to 60. Yes, yeah, I see that. That's why I'm not going to take any trades, KMC. I have with running 9 charts, I have definitely overloaded my cash. Yeah, I'm going to stand down. No big deal. Sorry about that, guys. We had some excitement right out of the gate. I don't know, if any of you want me to explain what it was and how it's worked since. I can do that. I can show you, what was going on and then what has happened since. What the hell? You been in for 13 minutes, Jim? Holy shit. I'll be right back, and then I'll go over the NQ. I'll go over the box stuff for in a minute. Let me see if I can put a link. Maybe I can because I'm the host or something. Let me see here. That's the link. Did it post? Okay, I see it on my screen. So that's the link to that instrument. All right, so let me just show you this box for a second. So this is the equity box. I decided today to put the box on the NQ since it's the most violent. And gold is very violent, so that's why I have it on gold too. Because I just find the more violent the instrument, the more the box kind of tends to work. But anyways, so conceptually, we came out of the box, not immediately, but after a couple minutes. This is the 15-minute opening range of NQ, which is not a very big box for 15 minutes of NQ, to be honest with you. So that was kind of impressive. So it wasn't just one of these big old nasty ass boxes. The bigger the box, the more I get a little nervous. But anyways, so we came out of it, and what we should expect when we come out of the box, if we don't do it immediately, is we should expect it to come back in and create space and sit on the bottom of the box, or for example, inside and on the bottom of the box, the top of the box or the bottom of the box, depending on if you're rotating in from the top or rotating in from the bottom. Okay. So we came in, it went right to the midband. which is interesting. And then it came and sat here. So I took that long right here to go right outside, go right across the box, because that's what the trade is. The trade is to wait for it to come in and go and reset and then go to the other side. That's the trade. And if this isn't proof that I'm correct, this is where the sharks grabbed it from here and ran it straight up. That's what they did. So what did they do again? Well, they came back inside the box across the other side and then tested the bottom of the box and ran it back down again. Now they're testing the midband of the box. So there's those lines on those boxes, when price runs to them, has a tendency to reject them. So that's kind of what you're looking for. You're looking to treat them as if they're like static lines. You know what I mean? So these three lines, there's a top of the box, midband, and bottom. And you're supposed to treat them like static lines when you trade them. So like this is a fake break, crossover, retest. Boom. There you go. And so, and the thing is like, so recently, your boy Bob here has been taking this trade in gold. Okay. And I've been waiting for it either from the top or from the bottom, doesn't matter, to create this space, sit on the, say in this case, the top of the box, and go back to the midband. That's how I've been trading it. Now, these boxes have been bigger recently than today. And so from here to here, meaning to the midband, has been like $2,000. Okay. But here's what's happened to me. Here's what's happened to me as I've done that. It's gone to here to the midband, sat there for a minute, and run all the way through the other side. And your boy Bob's been out at the midband. So today I'm trying to get the damn thing to go through the midband and do what it's been doing recently, rinse, wash, repeat. And it didn't fucking do it. So anyways. And then the further you get down the road from the box, the less likely the trade's gonna work. You know what I mean? Like the lines, those quote unquote static lines become less and less powerful. Just like static lines ourselves when we trade them. When we trade static lines, I always talk about it's that first attempt that's more important than that second attempt. You know what I mean? Unless, of course, you're doing a W pattern. All right. So anyways, that's it. Yeah, well, I'm probably fortunate, Jim, that my shit's not working today. I'm probably fortunate that my stuff's not working today, that my charts aren't working. Let me throw just for fun. Let's grab the YM just for fun, and let me put the opening range box on here just for the hell of it while I'm sitting here. I mean, I got all the time in the world. You know that. Everybody knows that. Everybody in here knows Bob's got all the time in the world. So I might as well just do this. Let me just set one of these up on here and just see what it did. Because I don't know. I have no idea. But the one way to learn is to check. So what did we do here? Did it go through the box? No, it did not go through the box. Ran through, came back down. Now here's the bottom of the box. Bounced off of it a couple times. Didn't really do much. It went. So, actually, no, it did. So here's an example. All right. Sorry. Jesus. If I look to the left, hello, Bob, look to the left. I said, if we come immediately out of the box, immediately. This is immediately. The box closes and down it goes. You want to be short out of the box. And then it should come back up at some point in time and test the bottom of the box again and go short. We had the prior day low kind of in the middle of all this bullshit. But that's the difference between it coming immediately out of the box and coming out of the box later. Okay? If it comes immediately out of the box, you want to take that short. Or you want to take that long. Once that box closes. So let's just for fun, let me put that same one on RTY and just see what happened, if anything, because I don't know. I mean, I really don't know. Ah, damn it. I lost my freaking chart. Jesus Christ. RTY. I put mine on the NQ today off screen. I had it set up on there because I wanted to trade it in case it set up. Because I mean the NQ is the NQ is a beast. And when it decides to go one direction or another, it'll do it. It'll do it pretty fast, and it'll do it if you recognize a pattern. It's the best way to make money. Wow. Pretty much nothing. Just back down to the midband, then out of the box, and then back down to the midband. Pretty much nothing here. Oh, wait. God dang, man, I'm brain dead. All you should just not pay attention to anything I fucking say. I swear to God, I'm brain dead. So we came out of the box right here back into the overnight open, came back inside the box, sat on top of the box, boom, right to the other side. There you go. And if you'll notice, here's the midband. That's what I was hoping was going to happen in gold, is that we were just going to blow right through the midband to the other side, which we did not do in gold. You know why we didn't do it in gold? Does anybody have any idea why we did not go right through the midband to the other side in gold? Does anybody have a clue why we didn't do that? I think you all know why. Because I was in the trade. Because I was in the trade. That's why. That's why it didn't work. That's why it didn't cross the damn box. Because I was in the damn trade. If I wasn't in the trade, or one of two things. If I wasn't in the trade, it would have run through the other side of the box. If I was in the trade and took it out at the midband, it would have run through the other side of the box. Those are the two scenarios where it would have run through the other side of the box. You can just mark my words on that. Anyways, exactly, because I was in the trade. That's right. That's why everybody that watches this channel knows if I'm taking a long in the RTY, you need to take a long in the YM, because the YM one will work smoother than the RTY one. I mean, it's a known thing in this trading channel. If RTY and YM agree with each other, and I go with the RTY, you need to take that YM. Don't follow what I do. Because I'm going to be over here sweating bullets, and you're going to be going right to target. Anyways, I'm going to end the stream, and I'm going to fix my charts. I got to clean my cash out. Everybody have a good day. And sorry my charts froze up on us. I just sorry. We had a beautiful trade in the NQ right out of the gate, though. At least that one worked. I think that one trade made me a little over $1,000. Anyways, everybody have a good day. Talk to you later.